send an automated email to all the customers I have in this Google Sheets, and I want to send an email something like this. So as you can see right now, I have only a single mail over here. But when I'm going to open my spreadsheet, go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and click on this send all data, an automated email will be sent to all the customers detail I have in this spreadsheet. You think that this is not possible? It is. So let's open our Gmail and you're going to see yes, automated mail is sending to all the customers, to smart user, dummy user, test customer, demo user, and to all the ones whose detail I had in this spreadsheet. And as you can see, the mail is exactly the same, only the name is changing because this is a personalized mail. As you can see, automated mail is sent to all the customer details I had in my Google Sheets. And yes, this is no magic, this is the power of automation which we are going to create in today's video. So to create this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of emails for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect and let's see how this automation can be created. So for that, this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for spreadsheet and select it. For the event, you have to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. You're going to receive this webhook URL, so just copy it and open your Google Sheets. Once you open your Google Sheets, you have to make sure that this is the same spreadsheet and the sheet you want to connect with Pabbly Connect. After that, you have to go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. Now you have to add an extension in this spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on the search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And as you can see that this is the same extension which you have to install. Once you install this extension, don't forget to refresh your spreadsheet, otherwise you'll not be able to see the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks in this extensions tab. Once you see this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option, go on this and then towards this initial setup. After you come on this initial setup, enter the webhook URL over here which you copied from the workflow and then the trigger column. So over here, as you can see, I have successfully pasted this webhook URL, and now for the trigger column, I am going to keep it as D because the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So for me, the trigger column is D because I want to send 4 details towards my webhook URL, which is towards my workflow, because using these 4 details, I'm just going to send an automated email. If you want to send 3 details, then your trigger column will be C. If you want to send 2 details, your trigger column will be B, and so on. Okay, after this, you have to click on this submit. Once you click on this submit, it is saying setup configured successfully. This means that you have created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, click on this send test. Once you click on this send test, it is saying test data sent successfully, and it has sent this first row towards our workflow. So as you can see that this row is sent, so let's open our workflow and Pabbly has captured the response for the same. So now first send an automated email to this user or customer, and then we're going to learn how to send it to all of them at once. For that, you have to stick to this video till the end. So just close this and I'll just let you know that I am running a automation software named Pabbly Tudes, and for that I am creating this automation. So the mail which I'm just going to send will be related to the same only. Okay, so let's go back towards our workflow. Click on this add new action step. For the action application, select it as Gmail. For the event, select it as send email and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Gmail and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once you click on this sign in with Google, select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection or with the help of which you want to send the emails. Okay, this is very important. Make sure to select the email with the help of which you want to send the email. Now Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. Click on this allow. Your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now for the sender's name, enter the name of your company. So I'm just going to enter the sender's name as Pabbly Tudes. For the sender's email, it is automatically selecting the same because this is the email which we connected right now. You don't have to change it. Now let's move on further to saying recipient email address. So over here you have to enter the email address of the one who is going to receive the mail, which is your lead, your customer or your user. So what you have to do is you have received this email in this response of Google Sheet. So simply enter the same. But you don't have to copy paste the detail or enter it manually by typing it like this, but this detail will be mapped. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. Okay, so now over here, in order to map these details, you have to put a slash, search for the detail like this and then map it. Now it is asking me for many another details, but we are only going to map the details which are required, like this email subject and email content. So for the email subject, let's open our previous workflow, and over here we're just going to copy the same subject and paste it right over here, and we're going to map the same. But over here what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to map the name of our lead, or you can say customer. So put a slash, search for the name and map the name over here. After we map this name, this is the email subject, which is smart user. This automation trick can save hours. Okay, now let's go on this content. So let's just copy the email content too and paste it right over here. After we paste this right over here, once again we have to map the name so that we can send personalized emails. So put a slash, search for the name, map the first name, put a space, put a slash, search for the name, map the last name. Now you're going to see that I have entered an HTML email over here, HTML email content, because I want to send attractive emails like this. And also in this email, I want to attach this explore automation tutorials, which is the link to my YouTube channel. So that's the reason that I have used this HTML email over here. But if you want to send plain email, you can simply write plain email content too. If you want to learn how to create this HTML email, over here is a complete tutorial for the same. Otherwise, I'll suggest you can use AI also to generate this email content. Just give the details to your AI like ChatGPT or Gemini and ask them to generate you the email content. They are going to generate you a perfect email. You just have to map the details and you're ready to go. Further, you can also use this AI generator, so you can enter the email content like what you want and it is going to generate you the content. You can use this feature of Pabbly too. Now for the email content, select it as HTML if you have entered the HTML content. If you have entered the plain, select it as plain. For the labels, keep it as inbox. I'll suggest you, otherwise it is upon you. Now it is asking me for many other details like the file name and attachment URLs. If you want to send something like this, you can attach it right over here. Same goes for the signature. After this, you have to click on this save and send test request. Once you're going to click on this, you're going to see that we have received this response that we have successfully sent this mail. So let's open our Gmail, go back towards the inbox, and we have successfully sent this new mail to smart user. Not only this, I want to send an automated email to all the ones whose details I have in this spreadsheet. So for that, you have to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on this send all data. Now all of this data will be sent towards your workflow, and an automated email will be sent to all the one details you have in this spreadsheet. Not only this, if you want that automatically an email should be sent to the new details which you enter over here, then you have to make sure that this button is switched on, which is send on event. Now whenever you're going to enter the new details, an automated email will be sent towards them too. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more automation tips, subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.